Day one of asking people to make Gorilla Tag sound effects. Trust me, this ends very weird. So I went over to City to see if anyone had any ideas. Okay, Red.
Wait, here, I
Red.
want to show you something cool.
Red,
Wait, you guys,
if you were running in forest, what do you think that would sound like? Okay. Hey, Red.
Hi guys.
Red.
Hi. I need two.
Red.
Orange.
Purple. If you were sliding on ice, what do you think that would sound like?
If you fall in the water,
Thank you. Alright, so now we have to go over to mountains. Pink. If you were talking, what do you think that would sound like as a sound effect?
I don't know. I'm just new.
Bruh.
What else could you do?
Hey, hide. If talking was a sound effect in Gorilla Tag, what do you think that would sound like?
Wait.
He then took me to his computer, which was awfully sus in my opinion. What?
Wait.
Alright, never mind. Blue party hat. If talking was a sound effect in Gorilla Tag, what do you think it would sound like?
Oh, I fell. Behind you.
Hey, purple. Wait, purple. If talking was a sound effect in Gorilla Tag, what do you think it would sound like? If talking was a, what?
it would be like a double day.
A double day?
That's how we do.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, guys. I hope you're enjoying the video.
A double day. 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 A double day.
Christopher!